Hi, welcome to another junk journal book review. So hashtag JJ book review. It's an open collab. If you have books in your library, go ahead and show others what you have. So I do like a full book review, and so you have every detail about the book and every page, so that you want to know if if that's the content that you're looking for, and then you can search for it. So I have a completely new edition, Tell Me About God by Mary Alice Jones, illustrated by Dorothy Grider. All right, so the book measures 8 by 10 and a half. And it's beautiful, beautiful children here illustrated on the cover. Here is the spine, if you see it on a bookshelf. And then here is the back of it. All right. This is a really nice book. Look at the beautiful, beautiful illustration and the colors. So here it talks about the book, and they're really nice, thick paper pages, but the illustrations are just remarkable in this book. And it is a Rand McNally and Company book. It is 1967, and it has kind of like the large words here in the book, kind of like a reader. So let's flip through every page. So this is some black and white, and then these are color. Look at that. So it looks like it's every other color and black and white illustrations. I absolutely adore this book. Lots and lots of different content. Like look at this would be beautiful in a Father's Day journal or a men's journal. He's fishing with his father. Here's some sports. Here's some more fishing. Some squirrels. Here's some summer. So this book has not only just like one type of theme or content, but it covers like different subjects, and then still keeping with the religious stories. So very, very beautiful. Like look, here's a winter scene, another one. And then here is the back page, and then here's about the author. So there is that one. That is fabulous. I just love that book. So and you know what, and I don't think there was going to be an ISBN number with this one because of its age. So, but it is beautiful, beautiful book for a junk journal. All right, thank you for watching. All right, bye bye.